Hello and welcome back to New Day on TV3. Thank you so much for engaging with us on our socials. We are at TV3 Ghana. Now let's get into our next conversation, and we're talking insurance. Joining me in the studio this morning is Mr. Franklin Soa, Director, Marketing and Sales, Graphic Communication Group Limited. Also in the studio is Dr. Kingsley Kwesi Kwabasin, CEO, Ghana Insurance Association. Gentlemen, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are we this morning?
Very well, thanks.
Nice to have you in studio. Thank you for joining us. As I mentioned, we're talking about insurance, and Graphic Communications is putting on a fair. Franklin, tell us about this.
Right, so thank you very much. Everybody keeps saying that Graphic, you seem to be doing things that we don't expect you to be doing. You're just a newspaper house. What is happening? And we also saying that, like TV3 and some of the media houses in our country now, we realize the need for us to contribute a bit as media houses to improve the lives of our people and improve our nation. You know, so as part of our work, we have identified a gap in terms of how knowledgeable our people are when it comes to insurance. And this is one of the very, very important things that we have seen. We consider the loss and the pain that people go through in instances where you happen to lose property, life, permanent incapacitation, and so many other things, and the problems that people face, sometimes even beyond you.
Right.
There are floods happening, fire outbreaks, markets burning, goods lost in transit, and so many other things. The reason that we feel that this is the right time to partner with the stakeholders in the insurance sector of our nation, i.e. the National Insurance Commission and the Ghana Insurance Association, is that we have seen a gap. And we believe that we have what it takes to create a platform to get Ghana to listen. How do we make this happen? Tomorrow we are publishing a special supplement on the insurance sector in the Daily Graphic. And then between tomorrow and Friday, every day we are at Alisa Hotel, open to the general public. Insurance players are in there. Come and engage them. Let them explain to you in simple man's language what insurance is and the value it brings to you. As we speak now, we all know about life insurance, we all know about car insurance.
That's right.
We all know about probably property insurance and all. But the question is that, what about bank insurance? What about micro insurance? And all the other innovative things that are out there that will be of benefit to our people. We believe that it's the right time for Ghana to pay a bit more attention to insurance and the value it brings to us as a people and as a nation. And this platform is activating that from tomorrow.
Lovely. So you've identified that gap in the market, and you want to go on a knowledge-sharing expedition to give more information to the general public. Doc, I'll come to you quickly on this one. Why should people attend a fair such as this one?
Well, thank you so much. The broad objective is simply to make insurance the Ghanaian way of life.
Okay.
We think that unless and until people appreciate that insurance is part of them, they will not take insurance. Right. And so we are partnering Graphic. That Ghana Insurance Association is partnering Graphic. And in fact, the insurance industry in general is partnering Graphic, just so that we send the message that insurance should necessarily be the Ghanaian way of life, just so that all the risk that you can think about, there is solution, including ones that you've not even thought about. So people should attend the fair so that they appreciate and understand the various products that are there to solve their challenges.
Right.
And first and foremost, let me say that we are having a public lecture, and it's being handled by a seasoned insurance professional who's been in the system for a very long time, to talk about how we can make insurance the Ghanaian way of life. And so Alisa Hotel is the place to be tomorrow, starting tomorrow, so that you understand the nitty-gritties of the products available to your challenges that you have, and then understand why you should take insurance and not suffer quietly when the disaster strikes.
And that's amazing. So persons who attend the fair will get a lot of information. You say there's going to be that talk or lecture also happening. Franklin, so recap for us. It's kicking off tomorrow.
It's kicking off tomorrow.
Time, location, all of that. How does one attend?
All right, so it is open to the general public. It's free.
Free, completely free.
Completely free. From 8:30, we have the public lecture starting at Alisa Hotel, Botio Hall. And then immediately after that, the fair is at the same place, Alisa Hotel. And we'll be there on Thursday from 9 to 5, Friday from 9 to 5. We have webinar series that will also be virtual. So people who are unable to physically come there can easily connect online and they can hear from their insurance providers. I mean, some of the partners we have currently, I mean, Enterprise Insurance will be there, Danwell will be there, Vanguard will be there, Star Life will be there, Unique Insurance, Allianz, we have SIC Life, we have the Enterprise Group itself will also be there, and then Enterprise Life, we have Loyalty, we have Mensa Wood, the brokers, we have KEK also coming in, Glyco is there, Provident Insurance is there, Insia will also be there, Prime Insurance will also be there, Prudential is also there. So you have all the necessary players are there, and believe you me, the kind of conversations we've had in this month, actually this month happens to be the insurance month as well.
Okay.
So Graphic is partnering the industry to ensure that at least for this month, we make insurance very visible. We make knowledge about insurance a bit more accessible to people. We know that people have a lot of issues around what informs your choice of insurance policy, for instance, what kind of premiums are you likely to be paying, challenges with claims.
So a lot to unpack there.
A lot to unpack.
But from tomorrow, it kicks off, you say, at the Alisa Hotel.
Northreach. Yeah.
All right, and then you can attend. Of course, it's free of charge, and get as much information as possible. Doc Franklin, thank you so much for joining us this morning.